The Insight dashboard is where you go to see what's actually happening across your organization. It brings together file movement, SharePoint activity, email usage, AI tool usage, device activity, label events, location-based risk, protected file movement, and system health, all in one place. So administrators and security teams can spot unusual behavior, assess risk levels, and investigate incidents from a single view. Navigate to Insight. Then Dashboard. In the top right corner, you'll find a search icon. Use this to filter the dashboard data at any point, regardless of which tab you're on. The dashboard is organized into 9 risk category tabs, each one focused on a different area of activity, and each containing its own set of widgets. Risk Summary is the Overview tab. It shows you file sharing, data transfers, email usage, and device interactions across the organization, and attaches a risk level to each one, so you can tell what needs attention at a glance. Data Type Risks looks at the same kind of activity from a different angle. Instead of grouping incidents by channel, it groups them by the type of sensitive data involved. So you can see which categories, financial details, personal data, and so on are showing up most often. SharePoint Risks focuses on your SharePoint environment specifically, covering file access, downloads, and link sharing, both from people inside your organization and outside it. AI Usage Risks tracks how AI tools are being used, how much time is spent on them, what files get uploaded to them, and what prompts get entered into them, across both installed applications and web-based platforms. Behavior Risks covers user activity more broadly, productivity, activity patterns throughout the day, search terms, and any attempts to access blocked applications or websites. Label Events tracks activity involving Office documents and emails that have been classified or given a sensitivity label. Location Risks shows you where risk activity is happening geographically, with a world map and a country-by-country breakdown. Protected Files tracks the movement of files that have been protected, whether they're being moved through applications, email, websites, or storage devices. And finally, System Risks gives you operational visibility rather than risk activity, online devices and users, cloud sync status, audit logs, and hardware and software details across your device fleet. Many widgets across these tabs follow a similar pattern, so it's worth knowing what that looks like. Some widgets go a step further than the standard pattern. Keystroke capture and copy-paste, for instance, capture a screenshot at the exact moment a violation occurs, so you're not just seeing that something happened, you're seeing the actual context around it. Risk levels themselves, no risk, low, medium, and high, are color-coded, white, green, yellow, and red on the dashboard. The underlying severity for each activity type comes from risk definitions, which we've covered in its own video. The dashboard is where those definitions actually show up in practice. 2 tabs specifically, Risk Summary and Protected Files, let you export widget data. Look for Download Excel or Download PDF in the top right corner of the widget to pull the data out for offline review or reporting. Beyond the 9 built-in tabs, you can also build a custom dashboard, scoped to exactly the devices, users, and risks you want to monitor. Click Configure Dashboards, then New Dashboard. In General Details, give the dashboard a name and a description. Select the duration, period the data should cover. Select Set as an active dashboard if you want it visible and accessible right away, then click Next. In Select Devices, search and select the devices you want this dashboard to cover, or select an advanced setting from the dropdown to automatically include every device assigned to it. Click Next. In Select Users, search and select the relevant users, or choose a user policy to include everyone assigned to that policy. Click Next. In Select Data Types, choose the data types you want this dashboard to monitor and click Next. In Select Risks, choose which risks should appear. These are the ones displayed in the dashboard's Risk Summary section. Then click Next. In Select Widget, choose exactly which widgets should appear on this dashboard. Only the ones you select will show up. click Review and Save, review the configuration, and click Save to confirm. Your new dashboard now appears in the Dashboards list, and you can switch between active dashboards at any time using the Switch Dashboard dropdown. To make changes later, click Configure Dashboards, find the dashboard, and click Edit. To check a dashboard setup without changing anything, click View Details. To remove one, click the Delete icon and confirm with Yes, delete it. And to make a different dashboard the active one, just enable the Set as Active toggle next to it. That covers the Insight dashboard, from the 9 built-in risk category tabs through to building your own. Where reporting delivers risk data on a schedule, the dashboard is where you go to see it live and drill into the detail behind it whenever you need to. To get a complete overview of GuardWare and its features, visit the documentation site at docs.guardware.com.